Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Ultrasonic cool mist technology safely and quickly moisturizes dry air for up to 25 hours of continuous operation so you can breathe easy and get more restful sleep. High and low speed settings combined with a 360 degrees mist nozzle help you consistently balance and regulate the humidity in your home all year long for relief from cold-like symptoms and sinus issues. 1.5-liter water tank provides ideal coverage for bedrooms, offices, nurseries, and other medium-sized rooms. LEVOIT Humidifiers for bedroom large room 6 liters warm and cool mist. The humidifier provides both cool mist and warm mist to relieve you from congestion, sinus, dry skin, allergies, bloody noses, cold, flu. It is perfect for all year around using. The humidifier's built-in humidity sensor automatically adjusts the mist level to maintain a comfortable level of humidity, so you can set it and forget it. If the tank runs out of water, the humidifier will automatically turn off. Add your favorite essential oils to the Aroma box to give your room a clean, fresh aroma. Max warm mist output 500 ml/H. Everlasting Comfort Cool Mist Humidifier. Long-lasting coverage for your home, office, nursery, or dorm. Our ultrasonic humidifier has a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon tank that works in rooms up to 500 square feet and lasts for up to 50 hours. We included an essential oil tray that circulates fragrant oils into the cool mist, giving you a pure and fresh-smelling aroma throughout your home. Our large room humidifier is nearly silent, less than 30 dB, and also shuts off automatically when out of water. Safe to use in baby rooms and bedrooms. Fridababy 3-in-1 Humidifier uses the power of ultrasonic vibration to turn water into a cool hydrating mist that runs for up to 12 hours. Mist adjuster goes from gentle mist to tropical rainforest with a twist of the knob. The water tank is BPA free. Add breath Frida vapor drops or any aromatherapy grade essential oil for easier breathing. It covers up to 320 square feet with a 0.5-gallon tank. Equipped with a range of nightlight colors for even more control over the dreamy ambience. 5. GENIANI Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifiers. Fill your room with your favorite essential oils while enjoying the humidifier's cool mist. Maintain a healthy humidity level automatically with a built-in intelligent sensor. You can manually adjust the moisturizing speed by choosing a low, medium, or high setting. Refilling has never been easier. Simply pour water into the small insert at the top of the unit. To clean a humidifier, remove the lid and wipe the empty tank with a wet cloth. LEVOIT Humidifiers for bedroom large room home. With a larger tank, quieter operation, and a mist height up to 50% higher than the closest competitors, the LEVOIT Classic 100 Cool Mist Humidifier provides fast, comfortable relief from the ravages of dry air. Allergies, congestion, sinus headaches, snoring, dry skin, All are irritated by dry air. And the suffering, with the finest humidifier in its class. Lots of that water falls out of the air, so you get wet floors and soggy furniture. Thanks to advanced micromist technology, the classic 100 outputs a superfine, virtually invisible cool mist. The moisture stays in the air, where it belongs. Raydrop Cool Mist Humidifiers for babies, vertical oval shape designed for bedroom nightstand and office desk, fitting narrow space for better air wherever you are. This cool mist humidifiers can be used at night without sound of water gurgle or fan noise. Selecting the mist output conveniently for full control of the air you breathe. Smart indicator, and auto shut off when water is run out and tank lifted up, surrounding you with clean air evenly and safely. LEVOIT Humidifiers for bedroom large room home. Connect this smart humidifier to the free VeSync app for remote control or set up the smart humidifier to work with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free control. Add your favorite essential oils to the Aroma box to create a fragrant experience of your choosing. The Cool Mist Humidifier's built-in sensor automatically adjusts mist output based on the target humidity level you select in auto mode.